Hey, what's up? My name is Shivam and today is very exciting day as this is the holiday season. So first of all, happy holidays to all of you guys. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all of you guys, to all of my subscribers and all the people who are watching this video. So enjoy your holidays, but let's get back to this video. So as this is the holiday season, you have sale all around here and there on all the e-commerce website like Amazon, B&H Photo and all the products. So majorly every company have sale this time and this is the best time to save some money if you want to buy something, as you get so much crazy bonkers deals this time on all the products. And so do in the case of this Alidropship. The sale on Alidropship has started, so you have all the crazy discount here on the Alidropship product, like on the Alidropship plugin and on the custom store, on the hosting and on all the add-ons. So if you were thinking of starting a dropshipping store or any of the dropshipping business, then this is the best time to pick up the Alidropship plugin or the custom store. And the discounts are crazy, so you will be able to save a lot of money and use that for marketing and advertisement. And to make it easier for you, all the discount links are down below in the description, so you can go through them. So if you know what Alidropship is, then it's good. But in case you don't know what Alidropship is, then it's a tool, it's a service which you can use to dropship products from AliExpress to your store. And basically they provide two types of services, the custom store and the plugin. The plugin is for the WordPress and the custom store are the pre-built store. But I have made reviews of the Alidropship plugin and the Alidropship custom store, also the tutorial of it, which you can check in the top right corner in the info card. But that's been it guys, that was today's video. Hope you guys found it helpful, and if you did, just click the like button below. Share this video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.